Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Multiplication Trick. How to multiply these two numbers? First, we have 2 into 9. 2 into 9, 18, 1, 8. Then these two numbers are added. 1 plus 8, 9. Answer is 198. Second, 44 into 9. The same method. 4 into 9. 4 into 9, 36. 3, 6. Then these two numbers are added. 6 plus 3, 9. Next, 6 into 9. 6 into 9, 54. 54. Then these two numbers are added. We get 9. We get 9. These are answers. 22 into 9. First 2 into 9 multiply. Then result answer 1 plus 8 are added 9. 198. The same way 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Answer is 396. Next 6 into 9 is equal to 54. 5, 4. Then 5 and 4 are added. We get 9. 594 is the answer. This is a simple trick for multiplication of two numbers. Thank you. Please like and support and subscribe channel. Thank you very much.